If you want to fix Messenger can't open your messages, then this is a perfect video for you, right? So the very first thing we have to do, we have to just go to the Play Store, and on this search bar we have to type Messenger, okay? And after doing that, you have to do one thing, you have to just update the Messenger app, okay? So in the place of open, if you see update option, then update it right now, and after that try to reopen that app, and this may fix a problem. But if it doesn't, then you have to do one thing, you have to just click and hold, and you have to just go to the app info. You can go from the settings too, okay? And you have to come to the app info management, and here on the storage usage you have to clear all the cache. So after clearing the cache, this may fix your problem. But if it doesn't, then you have to do one thing, you have to clear data. So to clear the data, this will unload and delete all the unused data, the waste data that is making Messenger app slow. And after clicking on the OK, it will just clear data, right? And this is the best solution for this problem, right? And this may fix a problem. And after doing that, make sure to leave a comment down below, and also leave a like and subscribe to our channel. See you guys in the next video.